Okay, let's do number 4 from exam 2. Find an equation of the tangent line to the curve x cubed plus y cubed plus 6xy equals 8 at the point 1, 1. So if I want the tangent line, what I have to do first is I got to find the slope. In order to find the slope, I have to differentiate. Now what this is here is that I'm going to have to use implicit differentiation. Okay. There we go. Differentiation, because y is a function of x. So let's see what we get. X cubed is 3x squared. That's easy. Y cubed is 3y squared times y prime, or dy dx. Because y is a function of x, so when you differentiate y, we get dy dx. Plus, okay, now differentiating 6xy is going to have to be a product rule. So we got our first function, 6x, times the derivative of the second. The derivative of y is dy dx. Plus, second, the derivative of 6x is just 6, equals the derivative of 8, 0. So what I have to do is I have to solve for dy dx. Anything that does not have dy dx, bring it to the other side. So we're going to get 3y squared dy dx, and what else? Plus 6x dy dx. All right, and then what doesn't have a dy dx, bring to the other side. So that I'll have the negative 3x squared minus 6y. All right, let's solve for dy dx. So I'm going to factor out a dy dx. 3y squared, 6x. Alright, and we have one more step after this, which is to divide both sides by this. And that will give me dy dx. Now you can clean this up a little bit. It looks like I can factor out a 3. Not a big deal. What I want to do now, though, is I want to find the slope at that point. 1, 1. The slope at 1, 1, that's dy dx equals, so negative 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 all over 3, 1 squared, 6 times 1. If you evaluate that, you get negative 1. So that's the slope. So now I just want to find the equation of the tangent line. Well, in order to do that, I need two things. I need a point. So I need a point, which I have, 1, 1. So I'm just going to use the point slope formula. So that's y minus y1, m, x minus x1. The point was 1, slope was negative 1, and the x value was 1. I guess a lot of 1s. And then solve for y. So this will give me negative 1x plus 2. And that's the equation of the tangent line at 1, 1.